Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power sources, use a known good USB-C charger and cable, and inspect the port for debris. Once done, disconnect peripherals and press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to force any stuck state to clear. If you have an Intel MacBook Air, perform an SMC reset using Shift Control Option plus power for 10 seconds. If you have Apple Silicon, skip the SMC step and proceed to a simple power cycle because hardware management differs. Next, you enter safe mode to rule out software conflicts. On Intel Macs, hold Shift during startup. On M1 Macs, power on and hold until options appear, then choose safe mode. Once booted, run Apple Diagnostics. Press D at startup for Intel, or run diagnostics from recovery on M1 to detect hardware faults. Then open System Report and check power details, battery condition, cycle count, and voltage. If the battery shows service or an extreme cycle number, if safe mode and diagnostics don't fix it, back up your data, use target disk mode or an external drive, then reinstall Mac OS from recovery to clear software corruption. Once done, verify operation. If diagnostics reported hardware failures, arrange Apple Repair or replace the battery or logic board as indicated. Make sure to test after each change. Troubleshooting tip: if things still fail, reset NVRAM and create an alternate user account to isolate user-level issues. This often reveals whether the problem is hardware versus account-specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.